The Rack Shop is proud to present this 5th generation Toyota 4Runner with the factory installed raised side rails. We've just installed the Rhino-Rack Vortex Aero raised rail base rack system. So this is using the Vortex Aero load bars, 50 inches in length. VA126B is the part number for that. And this is using the raised rail leg SX100. So this is actually one of the last SX100 legs that we had in stock. It has since been replaced with the RX100. So just a remodeled and improved leg. But overall you have 43 inches of crossbar spacing center to center and a weight carrying capacity of 165 pounds evenly distributed. So this has been a quick walk around for this vehicle. For more details, pictures, or to purchase this complete system with a couple clicks, please visit the link in the description below. And that's going to be it for this one. But like always, thanks for watching.